Haysville home tour is what we're going to be walking through today. But before we get into all that, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all those fun things that help grow the channel. But now we're going to turn around and look at the pretty thing, which is the house, not me. All right, so we're out here at 118 Timber Creek in Haysville, which is just south of Wichita if you're not super familiar with the area. It's got a great community, great schools around here. And this is a newer built home built in 2018. Something like this goes for anywhere from $375 to $425. And we're gonna give you right off the stats and we'll take a look at it here in a second to give you an idea of what we're dealing with. So you're 2,974 square feet, 5 bed, 4 bath, 3-car garage. We got about 5,408 in taxes and then 1,808 in specials. If you're not from Kansas or Wichita, it's kind of a thing that we do around here for factoring in new builds is special taxes for a lot of the local amenities. Street lights, roads, all that goes into development. But this will give you an idea of what the neighborhood's like. This is a little bit newer development down here. And this has been a one-owner home that my clients bought from the builder. It's been very well taken care of, modernized, and it's a good home looking for its next owner. It has a lot of the gray touches and appeals, but not too gray and white to be too doctor officey. Still got some of that warmth of the tan colors and some of those things that go with it. So right when you walk in, you got a pretty good sized foyer area, your main living room space, dining room, kitchen, and you have this nice little drop zone with cubby holes for shoes and whatnot. 2 bedrooms and bathroom up top, and then your primaries around the corner over there, with another ensuite bathroom that we'll tour here in a second. But we'll go ahead and give you a rundown of the hall, bath, and bedrooms. So tub, shower in there, granite countertops, tile floors, carpet in all the bedrooms. You could use this as an additional bedroom or office space like they're using it. Good sized bifold doors. And same thing with additional bedroom. You could use it as an office or kids room, depending on your use of the house. There's your hall bath. Let's go check out this kitchen and primary. First floor laundry is a nice feature that the couple that just came through on the house tour really liked. All granite countertops, stainless steel appliances that do all stay with the home. You got this cool prop fan, kind of goes with our aviation industry around here. You can imagine waking up to some cool sunsets or sunrises and sunsets out this window with this facing north. So the sun's gonna set in the west this way and then rise in the east over here. So nice additional ambient lighting with the transom lights up top. Good sized space to put a king bed and still have room to walk around. Nice large double vanity. Got your water closet over here with your toilet so you can block all that off. Nice big full shower. Walk right into that. An additional linen closet, the tub if you're a tub person. And then big walk-in closet with built-ins all the way throughout. So there's your primary and your first floor. We'll go check out this backyard in a sec, just give you a peek at that. And we'll go downstairs. Already has the dog door installed if you're needing that. As you can imagine, having some nice evenings out here when it's cool out in Kansas, because it's about 90 degrees right now in the middle of July in Kansas. Good sized yard, newer fence, all installed. Don't have a bunch of neighbors right on top of you. You do have some neighbors. So there's your outside. Let's go show you the garage and the laundry room, then we'll go downstairs. Pretty good sized walk-in pantry also. So you have all that going on. And main floor laundry with tile floors. Then here's your garage space with extra tall height so you can have more storage. 3-car garage with the side door too to get out and do what you need to do. but this is where you don't always necessarily get to see these in the pictures because it's not pretty. There's your garage size. Keep in mind now, if you want to do these type of tours, you're relocating to Wichita area, we can do these virtual tours with the signed agency. This is also where my contractor background comes in to make sure all the things are well done and the construction's right. It doesn't just look good, it's like make sure it all functions well like it's supposed to. But being 2018, this house is very well kept, and honestly everything's 7 years old. So you have your main living room space down here. He's got it as 49er shrine currently, but good space for hiding from tornadoes and watching movies and whatnot. So this doesn't actually count as a bedroom, even though they're using it as such. It doesn't have the egress window in it, but you could have more storage, more bedroom space, just depends on what you want to use it for. And that would be your safe room. That's a completely concrete enclosed spot for tornadoes that you go hide under there. Hopefully you never got to use it though. So then you have a whole nother 2 bedrooms and bathroom downstairs. So you have this additional bathroom first, and then the next one's along the way. I'll go pop it open and show you in a sec. But very good size bedrooms, so you're not feeling cramped down here. The basements usually are bigger. The basement bedrooms usually are bigger. Then you got more storage space, more bedroom space, big closets down here. You got a lot of good space in this one. Built-ins for storing all your winter stuff, summer stuff, depending on how you want to lay it out. But additional bath and tub, you can see it. Sometimes you just gotta come see them in person to really give you the best idea. And then this is your utility room. So nothing too impressive here, other than just your electrical panel, a water heater, new train system, and then your sump pump. If you're not from Kansas, that's something you gotta have, is a sump pump to eject any of the water that does get in and around your foundation up out of here. So that gives you a good idea of what a about 3,000 square foot Haysville home is like down here. Like I said, anywhere from 375, 425 is what you can expect for that. We'll go upstairs and look at the kitchen one more time and finish it out from there. And there you have it. So that concludes our Haysville home tour. Appreciate you watching if you came all the way to the end. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all those fun things. If I can help you in any way, go check out my links below for getting in touch with me on my website, or check out some other videos I got on Wichita and construction, real estate, all the things. But appreciate watching. I look forward to talking with you soon. See ya.